What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Cadillac Joe here with another video for you guys. I have been slacking. I apologize. I do have a 9 to 5 and got a lot of stuff going on the regular, so it's hard to get it going, but I'm trying to get it, guys. So be patient with me. More videos coming, better footage, but it's coming, guys. It's coming. Wanted to get this video going for you guys. I started this project 2 weeks ago. On my time off, I come in here and I'll work on it. It's a car club member's car. Beautiful Cutlass. We're doing a hydraulic installation. Basic setup, 2 pumps, 6 batteries. Reinforce the arches, install the bridge, and some other stuff. I gotta reinforce the front, which I haven't done yet. We're trying to push to get this car for a car show ready for next week. What is called West Texas Super Show or something like that in Odessa. So I'm trying to push to get it done, but also try not to cut any corners and do any BS work. But first time doing a Cutlass. I'm pretty good at installing the hydros on Cadillacs. Cutlass is a new one for me. Not too much difference. The frame was a little bit different in the back, but you know, whatever, we figured it out. But check it out, man. This is a video 1. Hopefully I'll do another video when it's done. Alright guys, like I said, it's a beautiful Cutlass. Clean paint job. Clean interior. I mean, super clean factory interior. All clean. This homeboy does not slack. He likes his cars to perfection. And man, as good as they look, they run that good. He don't mess around. This one's got a brand new, I believe he said it was a crate motor rebuilt by him. And well, not rebuilt. It was a brand new motor, but he installed it. He did all the lines and everything. Runs great on the highway and everything. We are going with 2 pump setups, like I said. Hoppos, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Hoppos. I love Hoppos setups. All U.S. made, and really good quality stuff, man. Recommend Hoppos. Always throwing good discounts out there, but Hoppos is what it is. Went ahead and reinforced the arches on this one, and my style of bridge. Oh, let me go that way. Oh, gotta go this way. There we go. There's my bridge, guys. I haven't done the chain mounts yet, but they're coming. I wanted to put the rear end and find out how much, how close I can put them to the rear end without hitting. So. Working on it, but that is my bridge. Hopefully it works good. I don't know. Like I said, first time doing a Cutlass. He's got all chrome suspension coming up, except the rear end. But he's got chrome control arms, upper and lower is chrome. Again, I reinforced the rear end on this one. Again with the Hoppos kit. Pretty good. We have to do a little trimming. Got to figure out what I'm going to do about these gaps. It's got gaps here. Hoppos need to figure that out because that don't look too good. Not a bad repair. I can probably just cut a piece of angle iron or straight iron and just weld it in there. We'll see. Went ahead and did these brackets for the power balls. Got to weld them up. I just didn't weld them up yet because I want to see if my holes line up. So we'll check that out. Homeboy wanted to make it a removable rack. Don't know why, because we probably won't ever take it out again. But there it is. Removable rack, 2 pumps. Enough room to put a third one when he decides to put another one in. I weld the bolts for the solenoids. I hate self tappers. I hate just the holes where you have to fight and put your hand through the bottom to put the nuts in there. Just easiest way to go about it. Weld the nuts in there. Easy peasy. But yeah, 100% welded, ready. The battery holders are being chrome plated. He almost went and got the whole rack chrome plated, but he changed his mind. But yeah, this is my work. I ain't the best at it, but you know what? I give it the best I got. Little welders. This is my shop right here. What I got for now, I am working on building a bigger one, just to store all my damn cars. But here it is, guys. Part 1, I'll show you some videos of the process. I'll edit them into this video, but just wanted to get on here and show you guys a little video of the car that I'm working on. Hopefully be done next week for the Odessa show. Hopefully. Trying my hardest, but well, then we gotta see if the chrome gets here from the chromer, so we'll see. Like I said, beautiful car, man. This guy does not mess around. My buddy Frank is really likes quality work, man, and that's what he's getting. That's how he's built this car, top notch, clean. But all right, guys, just wanted to get on here and show you this car that I'm working on. Video number 1. Hopefully, the video number 2 will show you guys the finished product. But coming, it's coming. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Really appreciate it. All right, guys. Let me get back to work.